Hiro just finished doing this epic all salmon roll. Now he said he's gonna make something for me. Tell you, this is the perks of being his cameraman.
Yeah, that's a cameraman is a good, how do you call? Benefit?
Benefit. The best benefit.
Okay, things right here.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to keep this thing is here. And then once again, this cucumber this way. I just need a tiny bit of this, only that's it. I just make a little, very small little things for you.
Yeah, that's fine, Hiro. Small, big. I'm open, Hiro. Anything you like. Salmon is so good. You could eat that every day. What about for yourself? You need to make something for yourself.
Me?
Yeah.
Not so much.
No?
It's a, yeah,
Man, you're really spoiling me, Hiro. You're really spoiling me.
Pondo sauce here.
Alright. Sorry guys, all this noise. So this is ponzu sauce, a little sesame oil.
Sesame oil, I mean. That.
Okay. So again, we're making, well, Hiro's making something from all the leftovers from the couple of videos that he just did. This is just mixed greens,
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little
spring
bit
mix or something like that.
spring mix on the bottom. So that's a little bit. Okay, you can see it more here. A little bit of daikon.
Okay, daikon radish here. This is like another video, another meal, Hiro. Another video, another meal.
Then I'm gonna do. Need a cook small bowl. It's kind of this one. I put salmon and cucumber.
Okay.
Like that. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this is sauce here, and then just on this side a little bit of sauce here. Mix it up. Then I'll set up on the here. Some skin on a little bit.
Oh wow. This looks so good.
Just a little bit. And then I have a salad here. Before, I'm going to put a little more sauce. A little bit of sesame seeds. Around a little bit. This is the daikon radish is just for the decoration garnish. Okay, the salmon skin salad.
Wow. Salmon skin scallop. Salmon skin salad.
Skin salad.
Oh, salad.
Salad.
Thank you so much, Hiro. That looks great.
I think better than the other one, the video one. I should just put it on the video, YouTube.
We'll put this. This is shot in an iPhone 6s Plus. You can definitely load it onto your main channel, Hiro. It's great.
All right.
Thank you so much, Hiro.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna stick around and see what else you're gonna make. So much food left over. Look at this. All right. Thank you, Hiro.
Thank you very much.